GreenPT AI is a powerful, just-released software that's gaining attention for all the right reasons. If you're new to this tool and want to understand how it can revolutionize your workflows, you've come to the right place. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly how GreenPT AI works, why it's worth your time, and how it compares to the other tools on the market. You can try GreenPT AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below, so don't miss out on that opportunity. Now let's dive into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about GreenPT AI, and make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll also share my personal thoughts on whether it's worth the hype. First up, GreenPT AI's main strength is its natural language processing, NLP, capabilities. This is the technology that allows it to understand, analyze, and generate human-like text. Whether you're writing content, creating emails, or even developing full-length articles, GreenPT AI makes the process faster and more efficient without sacrificing quality. This alone is a game changer for digital marketers and content creators who want to save time while producing professional-level work. One of the features that sets GreenPT AI apart from other tools is its adaptability across different industries. It's not just for marketing or content creation. GreenPT AI has been designed to serve businesses across various sectors, including e-commerce, customer service, and more. Its ability to generate contextually relevant content tailored to specific industries makes it a standout tool in a crowded market. If you've used other AI software before, you probably know how difficult it can be to get the tone just right. GreenPT AI shines here, offering incredible customization options to match your brand's voice. Whether you need a casual, friendly tone for social media posts or a formal corporate tone for client communications, GreenPT AI lets you adjust settings to achieve exactly what you need. This flexibility means you're always in control of your messaging. Another huge advantage of GreenPT AI is its integration with popular platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and Google Docs. For digital marketers, this is a big deal because it allows seamless workflows without having to jump between different apps. Whether you're managing an online store, working on SEO optimization, or drafting blog posts, GreenPT AI integrates effortlessly into your existing processes. But what really sets this software apart is its real-time suggestions and learning. As you use it more, GreenPT AI improves its understanding of your preferences, adjusting its responses and suggestions to align better with your needs. This means that the more you use it, the better it gets, and it doesn't just stop at writing. It can also help optimize your digital marketing strategies by analyzing data and offering insights on what works and what doesn't. Now, let's talk about the user experience. GreenPT AI's interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for beginners. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using it right away. There are tutorials available to guide you through the setup, but honestly, you can get started in minutes with zero experience. Plus, its fast processing times make it an efficient tool, even for bulk content creation. The final thing to know is GreenPT AI's scalability. Whether you're an entrepreneur just getting started or part of a large organization, this tool can scale with your needs. From single user plans to enterprise-level packages, there's an option for everyone. This scalability makes it a versatile option for a wide range of users, from freelancers to corporate teams. If you've been searching for an AI software that genuinely delivers on its promises, GreenPT AI might be the answer. It combines flexibility, ease of use, and powerful features into one all-in-one tool. And again, you can try it out completely free from the link below. Now, as someone who's tried thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that GreenPT AI stands out in terms of both performance and user-friendliness. If you're looking for AI software that can take your digital marketing, content creation, or business operations to the next level, GreenPT AI is a solid choice. In the description, you'll find links to some of my other recommended AI software that I personally trust and use after trying countless options. Feel free to check them out and see which ones suit your needs best.